Hi everyone, welcome to my individual project 3. In this project, I have used dataset from Cargo and manipulated into data lake and used Databricks to perform ETL with Spark. So first, let's introduce the dataset I have used. This is a dataset about salaries. So you can see from matrix, it has work year, experience level, employment type, and different categories for different sections like job title, salary currency. So first thing we need to do to use this data in Delta Lake is to download it as a CSV file. Once we download it, I have uploaded into the directly upload into the Delta Lake. From this section, just import your data here, and then it will shows up in the catalog in the right side. Here my service is done because I have reached a limit, the budget, but it should appears like this. Once you upload it, it will show salaries as a default, and then you can use this quick button to create your notebook. In this case, it will directly connect to your like SQL queries. For example, here's my notebook. For example, I want to select from the salaries, the first 10. I didn't mention which table I have used, but it automatically selects the tables I have uploaded before. In this one, because the notebook itself is connected to this Hive meta storage. So here are the first 10. Let me see these full-time, different job title, different salaries. And let's try something more complex, like select the min value, max value, average value. And it also works. Then I want to try to use Spark to filter some data and manipulate it, like let me try, like I want to filter the salaries for all entry-level engineers, not experienced one, only entry-level. So in these sections, I have rate salaries, extract it and transform it and filter it, like for only entry-level records. And then I load my data. I load my data into a new table called salaries entry level in the Delta Lake. And I did some validation checks to see if the data are correct when I transform it into an only entry level matrix. And it appears you can see from here, it's all entry-level experience engineers. And then I use Spark SQL, Spark SQL to query some data, not visualize it, only query it. Here is the output. Like here, I just select the average values of salaries by country. And here is the result. And next step, I want to dig deeper, like I want to make a comparison between Great Britain and US, like for same job title, whose salary is higher. Let's go through it. First, I only use Spark SQL to show the data. Here is my chart. You can see from here, only US and Great Britain. And for different titles or same titles, it is hard to make a comparison only from this chart. So I want to make data visualized in the next step. And here I use Matplot and Pandas to show my data. Here's my result. You can see from here. Here's my result. Here's my result for different countries. Sorry, for Great Britain and US. You can see from here, it makes a clear comparisons. But in this case, the data for entry level is not sufficient. So you see some job title, it only has US, right? But I think it is clear enough to show these differences between different job titles for entry-level engineers. And also I have had an automated trigger, like to run it every day at the same time. And here's is my pipeline. To see the pipeline, just see the workflow here. You can see the data, all the things, all the matrix. And that's all. Thank you for your watching.